Hey Divas! Welcome back to our channel today.
We're gonna show you a recipe on how to make Bliss Balls.
This is a very easy and healthy recipe to make, which is also vegan and gluten-free.
So now let's start with the ingredients.
Without acting alone, have me control, have me control. You without have no soul.
So now after they were in the freezer, we're gonna try these bad boys. So now, oh my god, the one with the chocolate.
This is
It's
so
very
good.
The chocolate with the cocoa nibs. It's like the best thing ever.
This is amazing, yeah. You guys should try this. we try the other one?
No. So no.
This one is just as good.
I think this one is slightly better
Mm-hmm.
because the other one is like, this is very good, but this one, the cocoa powder is,
It gives like a bitter
Yeah.
sweet taste. Oh, it's
So
so good, guys.
you have to try this recipe out.
Mm-hmm. It's amazing. You guys will love it.
Yeah. So Divas, thank you for watching this video today on how to make Bliss Balls.
Yes, this is such an amazing recipe. You guys have to try it. It's so good and it's not hard to make. And the mixture of like this bitter and sweet taste is just so amazing. Please leave a like if you enjoyed this video.
Or subscribe to our channel if you like vegan food and healthy living. And please leave any constructive criticism in the comment box below if you have any.
See you guys
See you
next
next
week.